Hey everyone, it's Tom here from the 100 Army, and as you can see, this is my Ford Sierra Cosworth. Let's get a look at it. Full angle view back here. This car was from the 80s. As you can see, the person on the car is Carlos Sainz and the co-driver is Lewis Moyer. This was a really good car, did very well in the World Rally Championship back in the 80s. This is the Opel from 1980. Again, good car. Really nice car. So there we go. This is the 1995 Subaru Impreza. Again, look. Let's get a good angle. There we go. And if we zoom in, as we can see, it says Carlos Sainz and Lewis Moyer. This is the 1995 Subaru Impreza. Really nice car. This is the Audi Quattro from 1982. As you can see, this was the first rally car to have four-wheel drive in it back in the 80s. And as you can see, it says Hannu Mikla and his co-driver. It was a really good car. It was innovative. And for the first car to have four-wheel drive, it changed rallying forever.